Hi guys, it's me again, Teacher Mylen. So for today's video, we're gonna talk about how to find the less positive and the greatest negative coterminal angle. So we have here a circular. And then this line represents a x-axis, y-axis, and then in a counterclockwise, S represent the level as positive. And counterclockwise represent as negative. And this is our first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. And this side is 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, and last is 360 degree. So in the coordinates, this is a positive, positive. This one is negative, positive. And this one is negative, negative. And lastly is positive, negative. So in finding the less positive and the greatest negative, we can simply add or subtract of 360 degree as many as possible. So in another things, if you find the less positive coterminal angle, if the given angle is go closer to the first rotation, we can simply add. But if the given angle is go closer to the second rotation, we are going to subtract of second rotation of our given angle. So we have here a 5 example. First, the given angle is 30 degree. So 30 degree plus 360 degree is equal to 0. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Bring down 3. So this will be our answer, or the less positive. So make less positive is 390 degree. And now let's find the greatest negative. So 30 degree, simply subtract 360 degree. So bring 0, 3, then bring down 3, then copy the negative. So here are answer of greatest negative. Greatest negative. So negative 330. So let me show you of how to graph. So first, let's draw a circle, then line. So our less positive is 390 degrees. So we start in positive or first quadrant. So 90, 180, 270, and 360, and then 390. So here are point. Then if we find this greatest negative, negative 330, so we start this 1. So 180, 270, and 330. So this is the same spot, or this one.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.